Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Fall Goldie Boxed Bronze Bear box. Goldie Boxed is a seasonal subscription box created by Jess of the YouTube channel Everything Proof Beauty. It's a lifestyle and beauty subscription box. There are 4 levels available for your subscription. There's the Bronze Bear box, the Silver Bear box, the Gold Bear box, and then a Surprise Bear box. The difference between the bronze, the silver, and the gold is just how many selections you get to make for your box. And then if you want the most economical box and you don't care about making selections and like to be surprised, then you can get your Surprise Bear box. I chose the Gold Bear box this time around because it is the most economical of the boxes that you get to make choices from. Originally, I was subscribed to the Gold Bear box when she first came out with the box. And I do appreciate that she has the different levels so that if you're trying to watch your money, you can go to a lower level, or if you want more selections, you can go to a higher level. She always includes so many great choices in these boxes. There's always some skincare, makeup, then there's something usually for the home, something for fashion, and then she always includes a little game or craft. And Jess really just goes out of her way to find small businesses and businesses that are doing good things in the world, all those things that I value in a business. So I really appreciate that about this box also. Let me show you what I got. I already cut away the tape because that's the worst part of unboxing is getting the tape cut. Jess always has this really pretty seasonal wrapping paper that you can reuse. And I chose to get the paper brochure because I knew I was going to be doing this unboxing and I wanted to be able to read the descriptions to you. But if you're not going to be doing an unboxing, she also has the option of a digital brochure, so you don't have to waste the paper. Okay, this first thing here on top is a bento box. I'll take that plastic off so there's no glare. I love bento boxes. There's so many great uses for them. And this one is so cute. Let's take this little band off so you can see the design. I just thought that was so adorable. It says it's from Danica and with a value of $16. It says a playful, cozy cottage bento box made from melamine and eco-friendly bamboo, which is wonderful. I really like that. And I'll get a lot of use out of this. So I'm happy to have that. And then next here, oh, this is a bronzer that I chose. This is from Base Blue. It says an autumn bronzer that is packaged just as pretty as the shade itself, featuring multiple shades of multiple options. Get the plastic out so I can show you here. I was really excited about this for a couple of reasons. I don't have any bronzer right now. I've used all my bronzer up. It's not something I use that often, so I wasn't concerned for a while about it, but I do like having a bronzer available, and I found that I did miss it. Let's just take a moment to appreciate that beautiful packaging. I love that. And then, oh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna hate to mess up that beautiful embossed image on there. And I love the different shades. There's so many pretty variations there of bronze that you can swirl them all together. You can use a little of one or a little more of another. I really like that in bronzer, especially for someone like me who doesn't wear a lot of bronzer. It's nice to have that. Oh, and this is a magnetic closure, which is awesome. I like that too. Okay. And then next here in my box is Luxe Glow Skincare. It's a cute little bag. I love getting these little reusable bags with products in them. see what this is. This must be the one that came in all of the Bronze Bear boxes, because I don't think I picked this out. Let's see. Oh yes, for the bronze level it says Luxe Glow. This has a $25 value. Oh, I didn't tell you the value of the bronzer. That was $25 also. This is, let's see, a complexion brush. A facial dry brush. Oh, cool. I have a dry brush for body, but I've never had a facial dry brush to improve skincare. As someone who has enlarged pores and even at the age of 62 still gets blackheads, I'm really going to get some good use out of this. It accelerates the rejuvenation process for fresh and radiant skin, provides a light massage while it works to speed cell turnover and remove impurities. An easy-to-use tool for all skin types. One thing I remember from when I was subscribed previously to this box was just always include something as the one that's in every box. Something that anyone can use and almost everyone would appreciate, and she's done it again with this one. Okay, let's see what's next in here. I think this might be probably my last item. And this is one I'm really excited about because it's starting to get cooler here in the evenings. Yes, let me find the description here. This is, I cannot pronounce this. I'm going to try to hold this up so that you can see the name of the company. I think Maquia de Regine. I know I probably slaughtered that. This has a value of $17, and this is a blanket scarf that can easily go from large oversized scarf to small throw blanket in a beautiful navy all plaid. I love plaid. It's my favorite pattern. I love the colors in this, and I love a nice little throw that I can wrap around me. When I get chilly, I get cold easier than my husband does. So it's nice for me to have something like this. I probably won't wear it as a blanket scarf. That's just not something I probably would do, but oh my gosh, so soft. So soft. Oh, wow. This is even softer than I imagined it would be. It's so pretty too. I love the pattern. Love the plaid. Love the colors in the plaid. And this is amazingly soft. And it's such a great size because I can just wrap this around me if I'm chilly without having to pull out a big blanket, or I can just throw it across my legs if my legs are cold. Oh, this is awesome. I love this. Okay. I'm very happy to be resubscribed to this subscription box. I love everything I've got, and that's the great thing about this box. There's one surprise, but everything else I chose. Some things do sell out, the more popular items a lot of times, but when I went to resubscribe, it was just a couple of days before selections were closing, and it just happened that way. I didn't pick it that way, but there were a couple of things that were sold out, but Jess just offers so many fantastic choices, and you get to choose everything you want, except for this one that's included in every box. And I still had plenty of things to choose. I chose everything that I wanted and felt like I had plenty to choose from. Still had to make some decisions and love everything I got. So if you're considering a new subscription box, or if you're just tired of those boxes that limit your choices, give you a lot of things you don't really want or need, make you choose from group A, group B, group C, you just want to be able to choose what's in your box and have some autonomy in your choices, and this would be a fantastic box for you. And if you care about companies that are doing good things in the world, this would be a fantastic subscription box for you, because Jess always includes those items. And if you like a variety of lifestyle, fashion, and then a cute little game if you have children, or if you like crafts and games yourself, it's just, there's so much to offer about the subscription box. So it's so thoughtfully curated, so thoughtfully created. Jess has just done a phenomenal job with this box, and I hope you'll consider subscribing to her subscription box. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing here too. Bye for now.